Bottom line for the upcoming week, a wet holiday weekend is coming up for the southern plains and the southeast. Welcome rains and mountain snows return to the west early next week as our weather pattern changes and travel conditions become more challenging. At the end of this video, I'll grade out major east to west and north to south trips for the next 7 days. Hi, I'm Dave Titley, co-founder of RV Weather, here with your RV weather travel forecast for the holiday weekend and through next week. We're trying something new here, a no-hype, no-drama weather outlook focused on RV weather impacts for those on the road that will cover the next week in some detail, and then provide a more general outlook for week number 2. Let us know in the comments if you like the format, find it useful, or you would like me to include something else. The RV weather impacts graphic shows travel impacts to RVers due to weather. Yellow is slight impacts, oranges are moderate to challenging impacts, and the reds and purples indicate hazardous to treacherous conditions. Currently, this evening, there is generally quiet weather and minimal impacts across the country. Winter weather advisories for snow on Friday above 8,500 feet are issued for the northern New Mexico mountains. Dense fog in the San Joaquin Valley will persist through Saturday morning. Here's the driving picture for Friday. There's a developing storm over the southern Rockies, which will create mountain snows, a chance for severe thunderstorms with hail over West Texas. In the meantime, rain develops over the southern plains. The winds, though, should not be strong. Areas of impact for Friday include I-25 south of Cheyenne, with winds in New Mexico and snow in the Colorado mountains. I-10 and I-20 in West Texas for some wind, showers, and thunderstorms, some of which may be strong to severe. And also I-40 in Oklahoma, again with rain showers and thunderstorms. Additionally, a low-pressure system moving into British Columbia creates snow for the Washington Cascades above 3,500 feet. Travel impacts from Saturday through Monday. One storm in the southern plains moves into the mid-south by Sunday and off the North Carolina coast by Monday. Rain showers and the chance for severe thunderstorms will spread from Texas to the southeast. A separate storm will impact California starting Sunday. By Monday, the entire state will be feeling its effects with winds, rain, and heavy snow above 5,000 feet. Donner Pass on I-80 could see 2 to 4 feet of snow by early next week. Winds will become a factor across West Texas and the I-10, I-20 split on Saturday, as well as for eastern Colorado. By Monday, extensive strong winds will spread from Southern California across the Great Basin and into the Rockies. Strong winds continue Tuesday, with I-25 and Colorado seeing wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour. The southern storm will bring more rain to the south than we have seen in quite a while. 1 to 3 inches of rainfall will be common, especially across Arkansas and the Mid-South. Some flash flooding is possible across the lower Mississippi Valley. We'll also need to watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorms, especially across central and eastern Texas on Saturday and along the Gulf Coast on Sunday. Keep that in mind if you're participating in the Mardi Gras festivities along the Gulf Coast. The outlook for Tuesday the 17th through Friday the 20th of next week. More rain and snow for California and the Great Basin. There's a chance of a Great Lakes storm at the end of the week, bringing rain, snow, and some ice to the Midwest and the Northeast. For the last week in February, warmer than average conditions are expected east of the Rockies and windy across much of the central Rockies and plains. Active storms may bring another round of heavy rain to the west coast and snow to the higher elevations in the west, the Rockies, and the northern plains and upper Midwest. For those chasing 70 degrees, the great weather shown in sky blue will stretch from the northern plains to the Mississippi Valley, the mid-Atlantic states, the southeast, northern Gulf Coast, and Florida on Friday. However, by the middle of next week, great weather is mostly confined to along and south of the I-10 corridor. In summary, travel conditions become more challenging throughout the weekend and into next week. Friday the 13th is our best travel day, while next Tuesday and Wednesday will be the most challenging, especially out west. However, travel up and down the East Coast corridor should be good for most of next week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click on the thumbs up button. Thank you and safe travels.